Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ankit and I am your French language instructor. Today we are going to learn contracted articles. Okay, so let's start. As the name suggests, the definite articles and the prepositions a and de, they, and the. We sound just like the. Contract to form the contracted articles. The preposition a, the sign here is ghav. The preposition a means to, at, in. Okay, it's to, at, in. Elle va à Paris. She goes to Paris. Elle est à Delhi. She is in Delhi. We have already studied the definite articles le, la, le, which means the. If you want the link, it's above. You can touch and you can learn the definite articles. The preposition a and the definite article contract in the following manner to form contracted articles: a, l, o, a plus la, ala. A plus L, al. A plus less is equal to ox. Ok. So it is a le ok. She goes to the market. Elle va. A le is equal to o. Elle va au marché. Elle va au marché. He goes to the station. Il va à la gare. We are at the airport. Nous sommes à l'aéroport. L'aéroport. They go to the schools. Ils vont aux écoles. Ils vont aux écoles. Okay. So here are the some combination you can see and you can observe what are the combinations. Similarly, the preposition de, they form means of or from. He is coming from Agra. Il vient d'Agra. De changes to d apostrophe before a vowel. The preposition de and the definite articles contract in the following manner to form contracted articles: the, l, do, the, la, dilla, the, la, del, the, le, de. Okay. I come from the church. Jhavya the Legleys. She is coming from the house. Elle vient de la maison. We are coming from the shops. Nous venons des magasins. Okay. See, these are the definite articles combination and indefinite. But I want to say that if you have any questions, you can ask me on the comment box. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like this video, and click the bell icon. And if I'm getting a good response, I will definitely give you the full A1 lecture on YouTube. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video.